Hey everyone, it's Emma and Katie, and today we're going to show you how to make your own bubble wand.
So for this craft, we're going to have two different variations. The first one is going to be made with straws, and the second one is going to be made with pipe cleaners. You're also going to need some popsicle sticks, some bubbles, and hot glue.
We're going to start off with making the bubble wand out of straws. So you're just going to need probably about 4 or 5 straws, and you're going to take each one and cut them down into 1-inch pieces. So you're just going to grab some scissors and start cutting off little pieces of your straw. You're going to need about 20 to 30 little pieces of your straw. So go ahead and keep cutting until you get as many as you would like. The more you have, the more bubbles that are going to come out of your wand, so you can feel free to get creative with that. Once you have some cut though, you're going to go ahead and grab a popsicle stick, and the first step is going to be taking a little bit of hot glue and gluing a row of the straws together. While you're lining them up on your popsicle stick, you are going to want to make sure that they are all even on one side. When you're cutting them, it's okay if they're not all the same length, but when you're putting them on your popsicle stick, you're going to want your side to be even, so that way when you dip it into the bubbles, everything gets covered. So once you're done getting all of your straws onto your popsicle stick, it's gonna look something like this. And then you're gonna take this end and dip it into the bubbles, but you're gonna wanna make sure that all your hot glue is completely dry before you're doing any of that. So we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes while we work on the other one.
Alright, so for the pipe cleaner bubble wand, you are going to be taking one pipe cleaner and putting it in whatever shape you want. I'm gonna do mine in a heart. So then while you're making your shape, your second pipe cleaner is going to be the stick that you hold for your bubbles. So I like to just fold mine over so it's pretty sturdy.
We're rolling, I didn't cut yet.
So whatever shape you decide to make, it's not going to change your bubble. Your bubble is still going to be a circle. So once you have your pipe cleaner in the shape that you want, you can go ahead and dump it into your bubbles and give it a try.
So for each bubble wand, you're gonna go ahead and just lightly dip it into the bubbles to get both of them covered. And then for this one, you should get a lot of little bubbles coming out of it. And for the one like Katie has, you're gonna get one big bubble to come out.
Alright, well we hope that you had a blast with these bubble wands. We'd love to see what you guys make, so go ahead and drop a photo below, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.